In this video, we are going to learn how to flash and wipe Huawei smartphones. Okay, we also learn the useful tips of that, which you don't use them, your phone is not going to be useful anymore. The first tip is your phone needs to have at least 50% of the charge. I recommend you to have it at least 70% of that. Okay, this is my advice and this is my recommendation, but 50% is good for that. I recommend you to use a laptop which it has a battery on it. When it powers off and something like this happened, your flashing process didn't damage and nothing happened. This is my advice too. Let's jump to the screen and see what we should do. You need at least 50% of the phone battery life. Right now I have 51%, and the options that I need to do is I'm going to go to my Huawei settings, Huawei phone settings. In here, at first I need to go to the accounts tab. On the accounts tab, I need to check that if I have an existing Google account or not. As you can see, I have 2 accounts in here. I press to them and I press remove. Because you don't know this account's password, your phone is not going to be power off and you have problems in resolving that. Okay, I logged out all of the accounts. As you can see, it needs a pin and I use my fingerprint. I also remove the Google accounts. As you can see, all of them are removed. The second thing you need to do is you need to go to the about phone. In here you'll see the build number. You have to press 5 times on that, then this option available for you, developer options. On the developer options, you need to scroll and see USB debugging. You need to enable that and press OK. You need to know the bit number. Bit number is important when we are going to find our flash files of that. We need to know and pick the bit number which matches to our phone. You flash your phone, your SD card, it didn't flash, the data of that, it didn't remove. Okay, and if you are not sure that your phone received virus or something like that, the important thing that you can do is you need to use this one. Open the socket. This is the SD card of your phone. You need to use SD card reader or another, for example, SD card to USB. You need to plug that into your computer and then format it as FAT32 or NDFS. This is not important. The benefit of this way is when you format your SD card, and if it has virus on that, the virus it will be removed and your phone didn't receive virus. Phone is done. We need to jump to the screen.